Hey team, in this video I'll help you get off the revenue roller coaster. Hi, I'm Mark Diamond, the staffing and recruiting coach. I've got a three-step approach that'll help you get off the income roller coaster. So let's jump right in. First, we must have a plan. We got to get focused on something. It could be a local market, it could be a discipline like accounting, nursing, sales, anything, literally anything you have an interest in. Then we're going to identify 3, maybe up to 6 things that candidates and clients have pain points in this industry. So you're going to want to do some research. And as you do that research, start developing multiple ways you're going to show them how you can help them with each of those pain points. Next, what we want to do is get your message out. It could be social media, paid ads, organic. It could be networking events. It could be email. It could be phone. It could be SMS. Think about time and money, because it may take both. Chances are it's going to take both. The next thing is we're going to want to automate as much as possible. If you're not familiar with PRSTO, it'll help you do a lot of the heavy lifting. I'll throw a link in the description. Number 4, be consistent. Every day we need to add new people to either our emails, our calls, post every day if at all possible. Consistency is the key. So if you want to see how founders do this on a consistent basis, click on the link in the description, How I Help Training, and you'll see how we do that. Also, don't forget about your free gift. It's an assessment that'll help you along the same ways as this video to grow your business. So if you like what you saw, please like, please subscribe, but also please share this. And we'll see you on the next video.